Good afternoon. This is Dr. Greg Lehman. Good to talk to you again today. Welcome to Sunday Simmerings. Last time I was a little bit philosophical about how we view people and trying to get you to think more deeply maybe than you have about the deep and implicit beliefs that you have. Today I'd like to be a little more practical. Let's think about a difference between, say, a factory built in 1950 where the product line is probably going to last for decades, and the machinery that you put in the factory to build those products is probably not going to undergo dramatic change for quite some time. And so how in that environment, when I hire good workers, I can train them to run those machines, and over the years, over the months, there can be turnover in workers, but the thing that stays the same is the process. The machines are there. They run a certain way. People can be trained to use them. So an outcome is that what's stable is the process. What's changing can be the people. Now contrast that to the world we live in today, where innovation happens so fast that basically product life cycles have shortened to years and months sometimes rather than decades, and processes can be innovated on a nearly annual basis. What is it in that context that remains the same? Well, hopefully a dynamic, incredibly innovative culture, and a set of people, a community of people working together to respond to the rapidly changing dynamic world that we live in, reinventing product lines, reinventing services, and growing the business. It seems to me that today's world has flipped our 1950s world completely upside down. And as a leader, I want you to think about, what does that mean? How does that change the way what you believe about the set of assets you have and with which to create value in the world? People, I think, are much more prominent in that equation than they've ever been, for practical reasons, even in addition to the philosophical ones we've been talking about. Give that some thought. Hope to see you again next week. Thank you.